What is up, my individuals? Drexler here. Thank you guys so much for tuning in to today's video. Today I have 3 messy hairstyles to show you guys, to show all you men using my own head of hair. Right now, the top of my hair is around 4 inches, and then the sides I actually got cut last week. We did a skin fade to a 2, but it has grown out a little bit since last week, so now it's probably like a 1 to a 3. By the way, before I jump into this video, please give it a nice big thumbs up if you dig it, and if you're a new subscriber, be sure to hit that notifications button so I can inform you when I drop some new content. Alright, so let's kick this thing off with hairstyle number 1. We got the Wavy Quiff. Right here I'm starting off with my hair damp. Apply my Ocean Sea Salt Spray by Shavu, which is going to give my hair awesome volume and it will protect it from the heat of the blow dryer. Next, I'm going to saturate that into my hair by using a wide tooth comb, and as far as the blow drying process, I will be blow drying it all to the left while occasionally blow drying it against the grain as well to give it some extra volume. Also, feel free to blow dry your hair upside down. I do this a lot too. And since I have really straight hair, to achieve the waves, I took random sections of my hair and simply gave it a twist while blow drying. As you can see, it started to give my hair some nice wave. Alright, just got through blow drying my hair. Look at all that volume, dude. All from some Ocean Spray. That's it. There's no clay in my hair, no nothing. This is all Ocean Spray. Doing its job, man. For my clay, I will be using ocean clay. Just a small amount since the sea salt spray already gave me crazy results to begin with. And that is the final result. For the second hairstyle, I'll be doing a modern fringe. Again, applying my sea salt spray to my damp hair, and then blow drying my hair all forwards. And occasionally, I will of course blow dry my hair back for a few seconds just to get in those roots for some nice lift. Also, feel free to use a diffuser if you have one. This will do nothing but just give your hair that extra oomph. After that, I'm of course putting in some clay, just a small amount though because we want the hair to be slightly loose for more of a natural feel. By the way, you guys, if you're gonna do a fringe hairstyle like this, do not take your clay in your hands and start pushing it forward. You don't want clay in this front area of your hair. It's not gonna give you that nice fringe look. So you wanna start from the back and apply forwards and just have the clay mostly, you can have it like all in the roots in here, but as far as the very front, you don't want any clay in the very front of the roots because it's gonna actually start pushing your hair back up, and we don't want that. We want the hair to lay down nicely and have some really nice looking texture in the front. And another great tip for extra texture, try finger combing your hair to the left, then back to the right various amounts of times till you are satisfied with your look. And that's it for hairstyle number 2. And for the last hairstyle, we will be going for a messy slick back. And you're actually going to want your hair a little longer for this one if possible. Right here, my hair is around 7 inches on top. If your hair is at least 5 inches, then you should be fine. It will look very similar to this cut. All I'm doing is blow drying my hair back and ever so slightly to the left. Pretty simple. Next, I'm gonna add in my clay, and then since I want this style to look very messy and almost wet-like, I will be adding in some more ocean sea salt spray. As you can see here, I'm holding the middle section of my hair while shaking it so I can loose up some of the strands on the sides. And that is the third and final look for today. So I hope you guys dug today's looks. Be sure to let me know which hairstyle you like the best right here in the poll or down in the comments below. Also, be sure to add your Instagram username because I'm gonna be doing some shout outs very soon here, and I wanna be able to shout a few of you guys out. Again, if you guys wanna go ahead and try out some premium men's hair products by Shavu, I'll be sure to put that link down in the description below with a 10% off discount code. And now, of course, before I head out, I do wanna discuss today's motivational message of the day, and that is pain. Everyone in life must choose between one of two pains. The first, you got the pain of regret, or you can choose the pain of discipline. The difference between the two is that one holds you back in life and the other pushes you forward and brings you success and happiness down the road. But you see, us humans, we were designed to be disciplined. We were designed to stretch ourselves and challenge ourselves and to grow. Especially as men, we were designed to take on a lot, you know, and to really dig deep and find out our purpose in life and to go through struggles and to go through challenges to help take us up to that next level. So with that said, yes, you will face struggles. Yes, you will face difficult times. However, if you stay disciplined through all of that, you'll be thanking yourself down the road. You will be looking back and thanking yourself for all the hard work that you put in. So keep pressing forward, you guys, and remember that your only greatest opponent is yourself. Now, if you guys dug today's video, please give it a nice big thumbs up, subscribe if you are new, and be sure to hit that notifications button so I can inform you when I drop some new content. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. My name is Drexler. Shaka, brah.